Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's time lapse you're gonna be seeing me drawing Wolverine, and I'm gonna be doing it with markers, a couple brush pens, some color pencils at the end, and also a gel pen to add some highlights. So I hope you enjoy that, and meanwhile I'm gonna be talking about a new exciting project I'm gonna be starting on February. And I decided to do this project about a month ago when the year started. When I was doing the goals for this year, I realized that I wanted to add some little challenges to myself to improve my art and also to gain a bit more following on social media, because I've been kind of stuck for the past couple of years with this new Instagram algorithm and all of that. So I thought that maybe producing more art in challenges and stuff like that will help me both improving and also gaining a bit of a following. And the one I thought about doing in February, I've called it Fan Art February, and I don't know if this has existed already. I haven't heard of it. I heard of some challenges, I don't know, about maybe doing movie art for a month and things like that, but I don't know which ones it corresponds to, so I just thought about doing some fan art for the whole month. And this challenge is quite free because I'm doing it for myself, so again I'm saying I'm just giving this idea to myself. I don't know if it exists already. If it exists and there's someone else who already did that, I'm not taking the credit. I'm just saying that I thought about it and I didn't really look it up if it exists or not. And I'm gonna apply my own rules. So for example, this doesn't have to be a daily post thing, though I'm gonna try to do it. But I don't want to force myself into daily post because, you know, things happen and sometimes you get, I don't know, too many assignments from university or things, I don't know, unexpected things around and you can't do it. So I'm not gonna force myself to actually post daily, but I'm gonna try my best. And also, I'm not gonna limit myself of only movies or things like that. I'm just gonna do all the fan art I have been wishing to do and I haven't done just yet. So this is mostly because I realized that there's a lot of things that I would love to do fan art of and I haven't done it already. Maybe because I didn't thought of it, or maybe because I didn't feel like I would be able to do a proper rendition of a movie or a book or whatever. Maybe because I don't know, I just didn't thought about, I didn't want it to copy realistically whatever is in the movie. I wanted to do my own interpretation of it, and I think that my art right now is in a good moment and a good place to do that, so I'm very excited. And for example, I'm gonna be doing fan art from books like Harry Potter, and I know there's also a movie, but I'm originally a huge fan of the books. I was a huge nerd when I was a teenager. I read the books about 12 times probably, or probably more if I recount. But yeah, I want to do some renditions of those books, probably Stephen King's too. And this is not limited. This is like I'm gonna do whatever I like. It can be shows from when I was little, like TV shows I love to see. It can be books that I love to read. It can be movies. It can be whatever. Even if it's small, if I'm a small fan or a huge fan, like, I don't know, Ghibli movies are gonna be there for sure. And probably some Disney Pixar movie too. I will love if someone wants to join me. I would love to see your art and I will be amazed and probably share it all the time. But yeah, if anyone's up to share it with me, I'm gonna be sharing everything on Instagram with the hashtag FanArtFebruary. And probably I'm gonna be sharing it on Twitter too, and uploading some videos here on YouTube too. And also keep in mind that if you want to join me, you don't have to draw my characters. I'm not gonna do a list or anything, just for myself, to remind me which characters I want to do, but I'm not gonna make a public list for anyone to follow. So you can do whatever you want. You don't have to post daily either. You can just post whatever you want. and just use the hashtag if you want me to see it. I would love to. So yeah, I just wanted to talk a bit about that because I'm really excited about it, and also I've been working a bit ahead of it because as I don't have any rules, I'm making my own. I'm not gonna only be doing the art on February, but I'm gonna also be posting things that I've already done probably in the past, and things that I'm doing now to get a bit of a heads up in case I'm not able to post all the time, or I'm not able to create new posts because I'm busy with works from uni and things like that. So yeah, I hope you had fun watching this video, and I hope you will participate in my challenge. If you want to, please just let me know. I would love to. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next Friday. Bye!